Good morning everyone, welcome back to my video. As promises from the previous episode 1 and episode 2, today I would like to start with episode 3 as the final. Before we start, I would like to remind from the previous episode. In the episode 2, we talk about market mix calculation. So as you can see here, this is the standard report for hotel in sales and marketing department. In this market mix calculation slide, we have learned about how we find out the market segment mix calculation and how to calculate room occupancy, also average room rate, and how to calculate RevPAR, and how to calculate density of guests per room, and also the length of stay. And also in the episode 2, we talk about shifting market mix. In that episode 2, we also learn about how to shifting market segmentation can help hotel business to improve financial performance. So that is the key important for the shifting market mix calculation. Okay. So today I would like to share again about profit contribution per segmentation. So far we work only the revenue size. However, at the end of the day, is the business result. So the business result is all about profit. In principle, revenue management is all about revenue and profit. So that is the key business performance. At the end of the day, we talk about result. So every day, every year, anytime we work so hard, but finally we need to see the result. On this episode 3, I am going to show you which segmentation is important, not only revenue but also profit contribution. This is the report, the basic standard report. Okay, see here we have different segmentation. We have public room only, public bed and breakfast, corporate individual bed and breakfast, leisure individual bed and breakfast for 2 person, professional group, residential package group, that means the group who stay in our hotel and having full day meeting in our hotel. Tertiary group bed and breakfast for 2 person. Tertiary have both mean breakfast plus 1 other meal, either lunch or dinner. Airline crew day seminar, full day meeting only, no room. That means guests stay outside and they come to have a full day meeting in our hotel. Okay, so this section is the revenue section, and this also a revenue section, and this section is the cost, and this section is the cost per night and total profit contributed. Okay, so in this section, to see more detail, same like public room only, public bed and breakfast, corporate bed and breakfast, leisure individual, professional group, residential package group, tertiary group bed and breakfast. Tertiary group have both for 2 person, air crew and day seminar. Okay, let's start. So here's the room rate per room per night. Okay, So here is all the same. Public room only, $120. Public bed and breakfast, so let copy pass, copy and paste. And this seminar, there is no room revenue because guests not stay with us. Okay, let's say cost. Let's say revenue per pack. Okay, breakfast. This one is room only, so no breakfast. Public rate, bed and breakfast. So the revenue breakdown is to breakfast is $15, and corporate individual bed and breakfast $15 same. Leisure individual, so this is per pack, so guest stay for 2 pack per room, so times 2 mean 8 times 2 is 16. That's the revenue breakdown. And the group, professional group is $10, same, single occupancy. Residential package, same, breakfast breakdown only $10 because it's single occupancy. Most of the meeting package group, they are single occupancy. Tour series is $8 revenue breakdown per room, so 2% is 16. Tour series same, 2% per room, so revenue breakdown is 16. Air crew $10 single occupancy, and there is no rate for day seminar because guests stay outside. Okay, residential group package, so meal allocation, meal breakdown is $20 per person, so that is $20 per pack, so 2 meal, that means guests stay with us full board, so include breakfast, lunch and dinner, so $20 revenue breakdown per person, so 2% is 40. 2 meal is $40. And tour series bed and breakfast, so no revenue allocation, room only. Tour series have board for 2%, so 18 times 2, 2%, so $36. Air crew only breakfast. And day seminar is $30 per person for meal. Okay, next, residential package meeting per person $25. So that's the meeting room allocation, so $25. And day seminar meeting allocation is $25. Okay, residential package coffee break, so 15. Coffee break, they have coffee break morning and coffee break afternoon, so 2 coffee break mean 15 times 2 is $30. Okay, the rest are all fine. Day seminar also 2 times coffee break, morning and afternoon, so total revenue allocation is $30. Okay, so let's calculate total revenue. So total revenue here mean sum. Okay, so here is room only, so it's 120 same. let's calculate this one again. 135 total revenue for public bed and breakfast. So 20 plus 15, so 135. The same as this one. Corporate individual bed and breakfast. Okay, so we do all the same calculation. So let's do here, continue to do the same. $96 total. $105 for the professional group total revenue. For residential package, total 190. And the 2 series bed and breakfast, and also the 2 series half board. Half board mean include breakfast plus one other meal, either lunch or dinner. That called half board. Airline crew, same calculation. Is $70 per room per night. Revenue allocation. Okay, day seminar, there is no room because guests stay outside, but they come for have a meeting in our hotel. Okay, so if you see here, I highlight in this color, that means this segment having high revenue compared to other. Like say public bed and breakfast 135, group professional group 105, and residential package having the highest, most of the highest revenue 190, and tour series bed and breakfast $81. Tour series half board also not bad, the rate is 127. Okay, if apart from the higher rate, you can see here air crew having the lowing rate. After that, tour series bed and breakfast for 2 person, only 81, and leisure individual only 96. Okay, so this is total revenue. Okay, after we talk about revenue size, so now let's talk about cost of sale. This is cost of sale section. Cost per room, like say is, in every segment, example like public, room only, bed and breakfast, corporate individual are all having the same room cost. And also for the breakfast breakdown, cost of sale, so let's do it the same, are all $7 per person. Okay, this one is cost per meal, like say lunch or dinner, cost is $8. This one lunch or dinner for 2 series group half board $8, and cost for meal for lunch for day seminar group also $8. And for coffee break cost per person is $4, same as day seminar group. Same cost of break of coffee break is $4. Okay, let's go further. So room costs are all the same. All the same room costs. So public room only, no breakfast cost. Public bed and breakfast, so same $7. And corporate individual bed and breakfast, same breakfast cost allocation $7. Leisure individual 2 person, so $7 times 2 is 14. Professional group cost per person $7. For single occupancy, residential single occupancy, so cost is $7. For tour series group bed and breakfast for 2 person, so $7 times 2 is 14. Same as the tour series group half board, so the breakfast cost allocation for 2 person is $14. times 2. Air crew single occupancy is $7. Day seminar, no cost allocation because they don't stay our hotel, and also no revenue, so no cost. For meal we can see here residential group, so 2 meal because 2 times lunch and dinner, so mean 16 times 2 person, so is 16. 8 times 2 means 16. Okay, 2 series bed and breakfast only, no other meal, and 2 series have board, so including 1 meal for 2 person, so that means 8 times 2 person is 16. Okay, day seminar for meal per person is same as $8, calculated by per person. Coffee break here for residential package group, so 2 times coffee break, one morning and 1 afternoon, so 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, also same as day seminar, 2 times coffee break, AM coffee break and PM coffee break, so 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so now we complete all cost allocation, so let's do a total cost. We do the same total cost, only 8. So revenue 120, so room cost is 18, so that's room only. Same as public bed and breakfast, we do the same. So 25. Corporate individual, we do the same. And leisure individual bed and breakfast for 2 person, let's say total cost it's 32, same as the professional group. 25 group total cost, and residential package is 49 total cost. The 2 series bed and breakfast for 2 person, 32. 2 series bed and breakfast half board, total cost 48. And air crew bed and breakfast, okay, and day seminar cost is so for the meeting there's no cost, only meal for lunch, include lunch, and meal coffee break because 2 times coffee break, total 8. Okay, so after we do revenue and cost, so now let's see what is the profit contribution. So in order to calculate profit contribution, so we take the revenue minus cost, so mean profit. So let's see, equal total revenue and deduct cost, so this is profit. Same as public bed and breakfast, total revenue 135, we take out the total cost, so we make profit of 110. The same as corporate individual, revenue $100, take out cost 25, so profit 75. The same as the leisure individual bed and breakfast, revenue 96 minus cost 32. Same as professional group, revenue 105, deduct cost 25. Same as residential package, total revenue 190 minus total cost 49. So we made 141 profit. Also the 2 series bed and breakfast minus cost 32, so make profit only 49. The same as 2 series group have bought for 2%, total revenue 127, deduct cost 48, so revenue profit is 79. We do the same for the air crew, total revenue 70 and deduct cost 25, so we got profit of 45. Same as the day seminar, we got total revenue of 85 US dollar, so deduct cost 16, so we make profit of 69. Okay, let's see here. In general, we can see that the public room only having the highest profit of 102, and public bed and breakfast also having high profit of 110. And the most highest one is the residential package. Residential package, we have high revenue, also reasonable cost, so we got finally 141. This is the most highest one, and the rest are all similar. So from this report, it means that it is good for our sales and marketing team and also the general manager to make the business plan for each year. So based on the report, we need to focus more on the public room only, public bed and breakfast, and residential package group, because you see this is all having the highest revenue. Okay, and number 2 is a corporate individual, professional group, 2 series have bought, and also the day seminar. Okay, so I hope it's clear for everyone, and I hope my video is beneficial to you, having additional knowledge so that you can use for your each individual hotel or your own business. So thank you very much for watching, everyone, and looking forward for the next video. Thank you.